Is it too yellow here? I mean, my background, my clothes, everything is so yellow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a new product review for you guys. So today I'm gonna talk about the new Lakme 9 to 5 vitamin C plus range. That is, they have vitamin C plus serum, day cream and night cream. So this is how the packaging is. I'll talk about that first. First of all, let me tell you guys, this whole range is for 999 rupees. So you can buy it separately as well. It comes like this, and when you open it, I love the box because you can actually use this box even after. So it comes with this instruction manual with everything, it's written everything, that the whole content, what it is about and the range and everything. And when you look at this, you have the day cream, the night cream and the serum in the middle. Day cream and night cream comes in tubes. So that it's very easy for you to squeeze out. The serum comes in a glass bottle, and it's opaque because vitamin C serums should be in an opaque container, otherwise it oxidizes. And let's talk about this. So I've been using this for the last 1 week, and within 1 week, you guys, I'm seeing results on my face. I'm not even kidding. I'll show you guys the pictures. I was taking pictures every day to see the difference on my face, because you won't understand the difference that much just looking into the mirror. So I wanted to document how my skin changes when I was using this. So I'll show you a picture which I started, picture that I took the day I started using this, and the day, that is yesterday, I took this picture. So that is the difference, you guys can see. So I had a lot of pimple problems a month back. So I got rid of all those pimples, but I still had pimple marks on my face a lot. So by using this serum, I could actually see the difference, and my marks were vanishing like day by day. I could see the difference in my pimple marks, and my skin was glowing. Okay, that is the huge difference that I saw, because my skin was not that glowy before, and I actually got this glass skin kind of look by the end of it. I'm still using it, and this is just a result of 1 week. In 1 week, if it can do this much, I'm sure it's a really good product. Let's talk about the serum first. The serum is the hero product in this range, because I always wanted to try vitamin C serum, and for some reason I had this idea that I have to use the serum at night. For some reason, I don't know, somebody told me, I have no idea. But before starting this experiment on my face, I actually read a lot about vitamin C serums and how you should use it and everything. So basically, Google told me that it's best if you use the vitamin C serum in the morning. Don't take too much of quantity. I just take 1 drop. So if you want maximum, just take 2 drops. Don't take more than that. So what I do is I take it into my palms and I rub it, and then I press it onto my skin. I'll show you guys how I use it. So here it is. So I'm just gonna take it. It's a pump. So just take what's enough. It has this beautiful citrusy, lemony, very mild smell. Yeah, very mild, fresh smell. It's not strong at all. So that is the consistency. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Take a little bit, just 1 drop, just 1 or 2 drops, and what I usually do is I'll just rub it into my hands and I'll press it into my skin like this. So that it will get absorbed into your skin so well. You can massage it if you want, but this is the method I do for serums. I have learned that this is the best method that you can do. Yeah. once the serum is set, it's like it feels so good because it's not sticky at all. Now I'm gonna show you guys the day cream. So I'm gonna apply the day cream now. Take a little bit just like this and show you the consistency of the day cream. It's like it's thick, it's not runny like the serum, but it's very smooth and it glides onto your skin so easily. It blends, and the day cream and night cream contains shea butter, so it has this thick consistency, but it's not at all heavy on your skin. It feels very light. Just apply it onto my face like this, evenly on my neck as well, and then massage into my skin like this. But if you have like extremely oily skin like mine, you can apply a little bit of compact or baby powder or whatever you want. What I do usually is in the morning I'll get up and wash my face with some cleanser, whatever cleanser that you're using, and on the fresh face I use the serum first, and then I use the day cream, and then I apply my sunscreen. Whatever sunscreen that you're using, you can use that. So yeah, this is how I do my morning skincare routine. And at night we have the night cream, and I apply it just like how I applied the day cream. I'll just apply it right before bed, and I'll massage it into my skin in round motion, and it's amazing. Key ingredient of this serum is kakadu plum. So we know that orange contains vitamin C, but apparently kakadu plum has 100 times more vitamin C than oranges. So this serum contains kakadu plum. I don't know if I am pronouncing it right. Kakadu plum, I guess I'm right. So that's what this serum has. It has this powerful antioxidants which energizes the dull skin and gives you this very healthy glow, which I am showing you guys the picture. So if you're buying the serum alone, I think it is for 549 rupees, it's written. That's the serum. So moving on, now I'll talk about the day cream. So the day cream comes in this very cute orange tube, and if you're buying the day cream alone, it's for 349 rupees. So the day cream contains shea butter and vitamin E. So this helps in moisturizing and hydrating the skin. So it is very important to apply moisturizer even if you have oily skin. I have very oily skin, my skin is really oily, but even then you have to use moisturizer. This doesn't have this matte finish, but it's not greasy as well. Okay, so the night cream contains Muru butter. It's so cute, and I hope I am pronouncing it right. I'm not sure, but it contains Muru butter, and it has glycerin in it. So night cream, I found it very moisturizing, because even when you apply it, you feel like your skin is getting a lot of moisture. I felt very like my skin was getting very supple and very soft after using the night cream. I found this like first 2 days I didn't apply the night cream just to see what is the effect of the serum alone, and then I started using the night cream, and I absolutely love the results the next day morning, because when you wake up you have this very glowy supple skin. You guys try it out, I'm not even kidding. You guys try it out and thank me later. It's really good. So if you are buying this alone, it's 399 rupees. So you can buy this separately and together, but I would suggest you to use this together. When you're using it together, it has this amazing result. But if you can't buy the whole thing, at least buy the serum. Serum is the hero product in this range. So at least try the serum first, and if you're loving the result, buy the whole range. I'm sure you'll love the result. I'm not even kidding. So, like, even if you're the problem here, I think the problem here is when, as we are not going outside, we tend to forget the skincare that we usually do when we go outside. So, what I usually do is morning when I go to office, you apply the sunscreen and moisturizer and whatever when you before you're going out. But if you're staying at home, you actually forget to do all that, which is not at all good for your skin. I think that's why I got a lot of pimples during lockdown. Even if you're staying indoors during the lockdown, you will have this air pollution, dust, the blue light from the electronics and everything. All these things can cause skin problems. So this range, what it does, it repairs the damaged skin, it repairs the dullness, it's anti-aging. It's that is what they claim. And I personally, when I used it for like 1 week itself, I could actually see the results. So what I usually do when I'm reviewing a product is, when I'm trying out a new product, I don't use any other products. I just use this one product to see the result that this one product gives me. So that's what I did for the last 1 week. I was just using this one. You guys know that if it doesn't work for me, I won't recommend it to you guys. But let me tell you that every skin works differently, but it worked really well for me. And they claim that this range is for all skin type, so I'm hoping that it works like this for everybody. It's not that expensive. Usually the vitamin C range and everything is usually very expensive, but when I heard that Lakme is coming out with vitamin C range, I was really excited to try it out, because usually Lakme is a brand that I love. You guys know, if you have been following me for a while, you guys know that I use a lot of Lakme products for years now. So when Lakme came up with this, I really wanted to try it out, and I'm pretty happy with the result. If you have to choose between investing on makeup or skincare, I would tell you to invest on skincare, because if your skin is good, your makeup will look good. If your skin is really good, you'll need less makeup. So take care of your skin. That's the best advice that I can give you.
So check out the description box, you guys. I have a 10% discount code for you guys for the combo as well as all the vitamin C product. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. I love you guys.